Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to do a quick video here on Lishi storage. In my van here, I've got my magnetic tool holders with a lot of my Lishis that I use a lot, kind of all the common ones. And of course got my finger savers on these, which got them color coordinated by manufacturer, so they're easy to pick out on the board. Then I've got a bunch of other Lishis though that don't fit on the board, so I'll run into my little shop here and I'm going to show you what we're doing with those. Here's how I've been storing all my Lishis that don't fit on my magnetic tool holders. They're in these Global Tex Pro cases, which are really good by the way, but they just, they're small, so I've actually got 3 of them overloaded with Lishis. And then I've got my best Sergeant and then my mailbox ones that don't fit anywhere, so they've just been in a little bag, still in the little toothbrush holders that they come in. And so my solution for that, this case by Magnus Tool Company that actually holds actually 80 Lishis, and I'll put a link to the description of this. You can, after you check out the finger savers on Amazon, click the link and check these out. And let me go ahead and get all these Lishis transferred over, and we'll show you how cool it is. All right, I got everything transferred over. Now the HU-162 that have the round piece here don't actually fit in there. The ones that have these square ones, I'll show you in just a second. Those Lishis do fit just fine, so I just put these back in the toothbrush holders and put them in the handy pouch on the front, so no problem from HU-162s. And we'll check out everything else here. Just show you one that's got the SC20 here. It's got the rectangular one. These fit no problem, along with the other mailbox ones and the best ones. And so anyway, we got them all set up in here, and this one holds 80 of them, so I got room for plenty more. And like I said, the link is going to be in the description to check this out, as well as a link to the finger savers on Amazon, so check that out as well. And you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments, and until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.